Let's go, everyone. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing this box of cyclosporine ophthalmic emulsion 0.05%, aka Cequa, I believe, or Restasis. I don't remember. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. Cequa or Restasis. But yeah, this is lot number, expiration date, serial number. Let's see. Boom. Nothing has really changed in the packaging. It's cool how it comes in this fancy packaging and then got this little foil seal. Wow. Wow. 5-pack. QR codes up top showing the lot and expiration date, and there you have it. It's always like kind of milky looking. Probably can't see it that well in the video, but yeah, this is it. Shout out to all my homies with dry eyes. Know how you feel. Hopefully this helps you out if you're watching this. Yeah, let me know what you think of this product in the comment section below. What other products you guys use for dry eyes, and hope your eyes get better if you're watching this. Alright everyone, take care. See you for the next unboxing video. Later.